Hello guys, today I'm back with another topic which is essay writing. Today we will learn how to write an essay in a correct way. We will study some characteristics of a good essay. Without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, the word essay is literary composition on any subject. Usually the essay you write at the school or trial exercises or attempts to express your thoughts in good English. So, the first characteristic is unity. The main purpose of this characteristic is that the words that are not relevant to the essay should not be admitted to the essay. At the same time, the subject may be treated in a variety of ways and from different point of views, but irrelevant content must not be admitted to the essay. The second most important characteristic is order. You must know the order of the essay, then you can write it in a better way. So first of all, we write the introduction of the topic, then we write the history of the topic, then prose, cons, and at the end, we write the conclusion. And sometimes we can add the suggestion of the topic. And if we write the suggestion at the second number and prose at the fourth number and cons at the third number, that's not the order of the essay. It will be an incorrect order of the essay. So we have to write things on their places. The third characteristic is brevity. Brevity means shortness. If you're writing a school essay, the essay shouldn't be long. So the limit should be 300 words and essay should be briefly expressed in a correct way. The next characteristic is style. The style of your essay should be easy, familiar, simple, and it should have directness. Your essay should be convenient and easy to read, and it should have directness in it. And the last characteristic is personal touch. As I said, the suggestion at the end of the essay is very important. You can give suggestion about the topic in your own words. What's your opinion? What's your suggestion you can tell at the end of the essay? So we learned that an essay must be unity, treating in an orderly manner of one subject. It should be easy written and not long, and style should be simple, direct and clear, and at the end show the personal touch. Where all these are present, the essay will be a success. Hit the like and do subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels